Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2016 Acadia. The GMC Acadia has great capability coupled with exceptional safety, offering better fuel economy, advanced technology, and thoughtful ergonomics. The Acadia is a premium utility that rejects compromise. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, remote engine start, stability control, anti-lock braking system, power steering, air conditioning, front, cruise control, trip odometer, power brakes, compass. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.